Peace fam, how is your light shining today? Is it shining bright? Is it dim? Is it Do things, eat things that will serve you well, that will make your light be bright, okay? So, hey, I got some yogis out there. I got one of my good girlfriends from back in the day. She grabbed a mat, a yoga mat, and she asked me to teach her how to do a headstand. So I'm like, all right, cool, I'm up for the challenge. I'm gonna show you how to do a headstand. Just a little bit of background on me. So I started doing Bikram yoga in 2009. And Bikram yoga is a hot yoga with you're doing 26 poses in this hour and 15-minute class. Like it's really hot, and you're just doing 26 poses in the variations of them. You go deeper, you go higher, you go longer, and you're holding these positions in this moment of time. So that's when I started my journey in Bikram yoga, and it was in Charm City Yoga in Baltimore. So hopefully it's still around. It should be, but look into it, Charm City Yoga, and that's where I started my journey back then. So, and then fast forward to now, I started back hard again 2 years ago and really taking my practice really seriously, not understanding like the verbiage and stuff when I hear people say practice and everything, but now knowing exactly what it means and how I connect to it and how it makes me, how it zens me out, because I used to have a lot of tension and anxiety, and I would explode physically, angrily, snappy at the mouth, like I could curse you out, you know what I'm saying? And not knowing that those certain emotions and feelings I need to release, how to release them, and to make sure that when those things are turned up, that it needs to be turned up. Other than that, it should be zen, peaceful, and loving. So I started loving my body, giving self-care and self-love to my body, because anxiety and stress and worry and anger, that all gets your body into a position, and even though you may not see it, you can feel it, it's giving your body stress in your lymph nodes and lymphatic system, nervous system, and like it's a lot, it does. Under the scenes, cellular wise, when you stay angry, tense, and mad all the time. So I connected to yoga, and I love it. I love how it pushes me to do certain positions in my body that I didn't think I could do. I'll be 40 this year, and so one of my goals is to make sure that I'm flexible, how flexible I am now when I'm 70. So that is my goal. So in order to reach that goal, I gotta be consistent and make sure I continue to stretch to be flexible with this practice. So back to my good girlfriend. So she wanted me to show her how to do a headstand. So that's what I'm going to do. So if you want to learn, you just watch too. So make sure your body is warm though. Don't just try to get on the floor and just do whatever. Make sure your body has been warmed up. You create a nice little sweat, loose. You feel the synovial fluid going through your joints, and you're oiled up to do certain things. Don't just go out there and hit it and hurt yourself. Okay? Grab a mat. This is a yoga mat. Grab a mat. You can get them all various colors, size, decorative ways. All over. You definitely will want to use a mat or in a towel. So you can have a towel in case you start sweating or whatever. You want to have those things and some water. Make sure you have some water. We're not going to do a whole routine yet unless you want me to do that. If you do, let me know. But I definitely want to show her how to do a headstand. There are several variations of the headstand, how to get into a headstand. I want to show you a position where to me it's easy to get into without a lot of ab work, but you do need ab work for that too. To me, yoga is a full body workout without the weights. The weight you have is the weight of your body, and to me it tones you up really well, and that's all I've been doing. And eating well, of course, eating really balanced meals and intermittent fasting to keep this nice frame, okay? So what I'm going to do is, this is a position called downward dog, and basically you want to make sure you're pushing your energy away from the ground, not sinking into it, but pushing yourself away, and you want to relax your sit bones or your butt bone high as it possibly can be in the air. So you may be up here, that's fine. You can be here, that's fine. But I've been doing it for a while, so I'm more flexible, and I warm up really fast. So here, hold on, we ain't trying to get the people like that. All right, so here, while you're in your downward dog, you come down on your forearms. So you bring one forearm down, another forearm down, and then you're able to rest your head on the floor. Now, if you've never done anything like this before, this is your position that you hold for this could be a 3-month hold for you. You know, every time you get here, just to get your body used to this position, upside down, head upside down, arms, weight on your arms. This is where you be. Or you come in a little closer, you know, and you come in a little closer. You do that on your timing. And then what you want to be able to do is be able to bring your knees into your chest. And hold that for a while, just to get comfortable with how that feels in your body. And then eventually, you'll be able to bring it up. Woo! Hold on. See, I ain't never talked. And do it at the same time. So that took a lot of concentration and focus. So I'm gonna do it without talking, and then so you can get the gist. Hopefully y'all got the gist of the first time. That was interesting. Talking and doing that, that's a lot of focus, a lot of strength in my core that time too. All right, so we're gonna do it again. You're gonna start here in our downward dog. Get to your downward dog. Come down on your forearms. Head is down on the ground. Start bringing your feet towards you. And oop, here, make sure your core is engaged. And here you go. You and your first handstand. Headstand, I'm sorry, headstand. Breathing is really, really good. And you come down, post up, get downward dog. I do my vinyasa. Woo. And there you go. That's your first headstand. Let me know if it's easy. Let's try it. I want to see pictures. To my good girlfriend, I'm here to support you. Anybody out here that want to grab the mat and want to go for it, let's go. I'm here to teach you. That was fun. And tiring, I'm already sweating too. So, any of the positions or poses you want me to show you? And if I don't know them, we can grow together. And if I do know them, I'll show you how an easier way to get into it. Because in my yoga classes, I tend to be the sprinkle of light in there, if you know what I mean. I tend to be the minority in there. I tend to be almost the only black girl in the class. And I wish that wouldn't be the narrative. And yoga is not just a white woman's activity. It's a black woman's too. And you can get in there, you can do the daggone thing, and you can start flying, and they call it flying when you be able to come off the ground and do different poses and all that type of things. And great, like just how we was flying with the legs up. It feels so good and rewarding to see how much work I put into it, how far I progressed and keep on progressing. And come on, Coco girls, come join the mat. Let's start a revolution. I think let's just start loving ourselves in different ways. I don't like the weights. I don't like weights. I like the cycle, but I don't. And I love the sunshine, so I like to be outside when the sun is shining a lot. But other than that, this does my body really, really well. Keeps nice and balanced and trimmed and slimmed and toned up, as you can see. And it's only my body weight. All right, you guys enjoy the rest of your day out there. Peace and blessings. Peace, peace, fam. Make sure you eat something raw today. Nothing cooked, fried, baked, or broiled. Grab something raw. Until next time, peace.